Hello, I'm Alex. I guess this is where I tell you a bit about myself. I'm currently a university student studying environmental science. It's a field that really fascinates me because I believe in making a difference, even if it's in small ways. Most of my days are spent studying, but when I'm not buried in books, I love being outdoors. I find peace in nature. Hiking and walking in the park are my go-to activities. I also have this hobby of collecting postcards from different places. I haven't traveled much, but I dream of visiting the places on those postcards one day. I'm also a big fan of reading. My favorite books are usually about adventure in distant lands. They help me escape and imagine a world of possibilities. And also, I try to practice being eco-friendly in my daily life. It's important to me to contribute positively to the environment. So, that's a little about me. Just a student with big dreams and a love for the outdoors and books. Thanks for taking the time to listen to my introduction. Maybe one day, I'll get to hear yours.